Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito po yung reading natin for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates kasi hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel, pahit na lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, shares. And by the way, may TikTok po ako, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Please do check it out. Wait lang guys ha. Habang sinasabi ko ito ay may ginagawa lang ako saglit. Ayan. Anyway. So ayun. Yung aking TikTok, pwede kayo mag-avail doon ng Piyaw bracelet. Yung Piyaw bracelet po natin may kasama na yung free palm reading. Okay, let's start. This is for the sign of Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Okay, you do have here the 9 of Vessels, 7 of Stones. And the 5 of Arrows. Bottom of the deck is the Wheel. So, I'm seeing here a person. Actually, parang pinapakita niya parang wala siyang pakialam, no? And then, pwedeng ikaw, look at the energy here. Can you see the picture? Halos pareho ng pinapakitang ginagawa, nakapikit, and then, hands down. And then, pareho sila na naka-Indian seat, no? And, so, ang isa lang is 7 of Stones and the 9 of Vessels. Sa nakikita natin dito, it's like, there's this energy between sayo, ikaw, at yung person, nakakonect mo, yung energy ninyo pareho. Parang walang pakialaman, walang usap. Yung iba, walang usap-usap eh. May disconnection na nagaganap. Kunwari, walang pakialam. Wala lang. But the 5 of Swords, ito nagdudulot ito ng frustration for the both of you. Nakikita natin na pareho kayo na nagkakaroon ng parang nakakainis. Bakit ganun? Bakit parang wala lang sa kanya? Or energy na parang wala lang ba? Ganun? Or wala na ba ako sa kanya? Ganun. But you do have here the Wheel. So maybe maraming changes na nangyayari sa inyo ngayon. And both of you are focusing sa mga new beginnings ng buhay ninyo. Okay, for some of you, ikaw, pareho kayo ng energy. Pareho kayo ng person na ito. I don't know if you're dealing with a twin flame. There's this twin flame energy. One of you is nagiging successful. One of you is nagkakaroon ng mga awards, mga accomplishment. Maraming nagiging proud na energy dito sa taong to. And that could be you. Yung isang person na hikitaan natin na parang ang daming kaguluhan, daming problema, ang daming sigalot na nangyayari sa paligid niya. And I feel like, may taong tinutulungan itong person na ito para maka-recover, maybe sa sakit or something. Or maybe, you could be dealing with a doctor. Basta ang energy is that this person is helping someone na maging okay. Anyway, clarify the 9 of Vessels. You do have here the 2 of Arrows. And the Green Man. Clarify the 7 of Stones, please, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. 7 of Stones is clarified by the 10 of Bows. Clarify the 5 of Arrows. You do have the King of Arrows. Ayan. So, ang nakikita natin dito, I feel like you're making something talaga na pwedeng may kinalaman sa iyong career. I feel like this is you, no, na nakakakuha ng accomplishments, awards, pero alam mo naman kung saan ka doon. And, meron kang mga binibuild, inaayos. I don't know kung ang career mo has something to do with pagluluto, cooking, or maybe may kinalaman sa, I can see a boat. Ayan. And, like, may mga ano dito eh, parang animals. I can see animals. So, pwedeng andun yung career mo, something to do with animals, boat, or, ayan, pwedeng mga Japan surplus, musical instruments, pwedeng mga may kinalaman din sa, I don't know, kung doon sa place ng work mo is may dragon. I can see dragon. Nakikita natin hindi ka nahihirapan dito sa iyong career na ito. Kumbaga, gumaan na. Hindi ka tulad dati na might be sobrang bigat, sobrang nakaka-pressure, ang dami mong obligasyon, ang dami mong kailangan aralin, ang dami mong kailangan gawin. Ngayon, parang aral mo na, parang magaan na lang sa'yo ang lahat. And ito yung nakikita natin na nagbibigay ng accomplishments and recognition, money sa'yo. Kahit wala ka masyadong gawin, it's just that basta nandun lang yung presensya mo, yun yung nakukuha natin yan. The Ten of Bows, so this is your person's energy. Nakakita tayo dito ng responsibilidad. Yan, responsibility, Ten of Bows, obligasyon, na kailangan niyang ayusin lahat ng mga nasa paligid niya, kailangan niyang kumayod, kailangan niyang, like, pwedeng etong person ito is currently nasa rock bottom or nasa pagsisimula muli sa buhay niya. Medyo mahirap at malayo or mahirap yung kanyang tatahakin kasi maaaring sa pangarap niya ngayon medyo naging mahirap dahil marami siyang kailangan unahin, asikasuhin muna. The King of Arrows, both of you are focusing sa inyong mga priorities, diba? Mga gusto nyong mahangad muna sa buhay ninyo. And with the Three of Bows, I feel like itong energy na ito is may pause sa connection ninyo ngayon. So, kung may disconnection, hindi nagpapansinan, etc., sa ngayon nagkakaroon ng pause or pansamantalang pagtigil ng connection. Diba? Kung baga sa tugtog, parang pinos mo muna, gano'n. And yung connection ninyo, gano'n din. What will happen in the near future for the both of you? What will happen in the near future for the both of you? Napaka-limited lang ng resources ng person na nakukuha natin, yung person mo. Limited lang eh. Parang hindi niya, kaya siya nahihirapan lalo kasi hindi niya alam kung sino yung tutulong sa kanya or what. Unlike you, maybe you do have a lot of resources. You do have here the World Tree. Ten of Arrows. Page of Arrows is here. Clarify the World Tree, please. The World Tree is clarified by the Woodward. Clarify the Ten of Arrows. And then our future for Libra. Ten of Arrows is clarified by the Queen of Arrows. Clarified by the Queen of Arrows and the Archer. Clarify the Page of Arrows, please, for guys, angel guides. Bottom of the deck, you do have here the Knight of Vessels. You do have here Eel. Five of Bows, Empowerment, and Nine of Arrows is here. So, in the future, nakakita tayo dito ng with the World Tree and the Woodward, you will be proud of something na ma-accomplish mo pa. So, may ma-accomplish ka na ulit, may na-accomplish ka na, another new accomplishments in the near future for you. Nakakita natin na matatapos na kung ano man yung mga paghihirap na ginawa mo. I can see a reward here. I can see you, some of you buying a house. Some of you pwedeng another plano. Kasi pwedeng like I can see you na ikaw na yung magte-train or ikaw na yung magtuturo, magsasabi sa iba. Because nakikita natin na talagang yung development sa'yo maganda yung binubunga ng mga I can see mataas yung magiging accomplishment mo talaga. Success is for you here. in the near future. Nakikita natin yung pagiging dedicated mo sa iyong trabaho, sa more on career, guys. Pero yun ay dahil some of you could be a boss, an instructor, maybe a teacher. Pero nakakita tayo, meron ka talagang with the world tree. Look at this. It's like a finished artwork, a finished product here. And nakita natin, pinaghirapan mo yun. And now, in the future, makikita ng iba kung ano yung mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo din. And gusto rin nilang makuha or makamit yung katulad ng mga nakamit mo or makakamit mo pa. Maganda. Overall, napakaganda pagdating sa money. This person, on the other hand, with the 10 of arrows and the archer, siya yung dadaan naman sa maaaring sa mga pinagdaanan mo. Okay? This person, you could be dealing with someone who is younger than you. Or, kung ano yung mga pinagdaanan mo, siya naman yung hirap, yung pagod, yung, siya naman yung nandun, no? Sa part na yon. We do have the Queen of Arrows, so, nakakita tayo dito ng attraction mula dito sa taong ito, papunta sa'yo, and in the near future, like, pipilitin niya muna ang sarili niya na maging maayos, maging magaling, kasi feeling niya hindi ka pa niya deserve. Kailangan ayusin niya muna ang sarili niya. And you do have here the 5 of Bows, 9 of Arrows with the Page of Arrows, and nakakita tayo dito ng nakakita tayo ng mga kaaway dito, pero they wouldn't reveal their selves to you. Like, nakakakita tayo ng mga kaaway na hindi ka nila kayang talunin. Alam nila yun, kaya hanggang tingin na lang sila. And with the Page of Arrows, communication, ang possible mangyari sa inyo ng person na ito in the near future. Clarify this. Yeah, this person is you do have here the Mirror. You could be dealing with your twin flame. This is a twin flame card. And you do have your Page of Stones. Links is here. So, nakakakita tayo ng person na i-reveal niya sa iyo ang sarili niya. Magpapakita siya. Magpaparamdam siya. And, I feel like ito medyo mahirap at magulo sa part niyo. Dahil kung itong twin flame connection nito is like kung ano yung ginagawa mo, yun din yung ginagawa niya. So, kung i-reveal niya yung sarili niya, I feel like you would reveal yourself to this person too. Kumbaga, ipapakita mo rin yung sarili mo, hindi ka rin naman lalayo or iiwas. But rather, may communication na may pag-iingat. Sabihin na natin ganyan. Kasi, pwedeng more like siya yung nag-iingat. Kasi baka ikaw yung lumayo, ikaw yung umiwas, ganyan. So, kahit pa paano, may paglapit or may communication na mangyayari pero may pag-iingat pa rin itong person na ito. So, pwedeng hindi niya pa rin i-reveal kung ano yung intentions niya sa'yo, but rather magpaparamdam lang siya. So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.